In the last 7 days, this new channel had only 245 subscribers, and I uploaded only 3 videos on this channel since the past 1 year that I created the channel. Okay, and after applying the strategy, the channel went from 245 subscribers to 506 subscribers. And as I'm making this video right now, the channel is currently having 733 subscribers, which means the channel will get 1,000 subscribers any moment from now. And this was something that I gained without uploading new videos. Guys, what if I told you that you can actually get 1,000 subscribers without making videos? Yes, this strategy is very simple. All you have to do is copy and paste, and within some few days your channel is going to get 1,000 subscribers without stress. All right, when we go to the channel's analytics, you realize that the channel had 222,000 views in the past 7 days, and the channel was able to generate 1.1k watch time and 487 new subscribers in the last 7 days. And during this period, there was no new videos on this channel. Like I told you, the channel, I only uploaded 3 videos on this channel, and that was 1 year ago. All right, but after applying this strategy, that is when things started changing on this new channel, you see. But the most interesting part of this is, let's go to the geography. You click on the audience here, and you will see that the channel is already gaining 112,000 monthly audience. All right, then when we scroll down here, let's check out the audience, and you will see that we are having audience from United States, Mexico, Philippines, Brazil, and France. This region has a very high CPM in terms of revenue. So this is very interesting. Then the first thing that you have to do is to go straight to your App Store or your Play Store and update the YouTube app to the latest version. Because I realized that if you're still using the old YouTube version, you may not be able to get access to this new feature. All right, and once you have done that, then you're going to launch the YouTube app, and then we'll go straight to the home page, and we are going to search for this channel, Jasmine and James, and we will search for the channel, then view channel. Now you can see that this channel has 38.6 million subscribers, and what we have to do is to click on the shorts. Then we are going to scroll down, and you are going to see this video right here. When you click on the video, now I'll pause the video. Now this video right now contains the sound of the World Cup. And the reason why this video is trending is because of the World Cup sound. So what we have to do is to collaborate with these content creators. And to do that, you're going to click on this sign here, and then it is going to bring up the options here. And what you have to do is to click on collab. Good. Let me lower the volume. Then over at the top right corner, you have to click on the 15 seconds so that we can change it to 60 seconds to extend the length of the video. Then we will drag this to make sure that we get the exactly 60, to make sure that the video is stretched to the end. Then you will click on next. Now it is going to bring up this the camera, your front camera, and the first thing you have to do is to turn off your microphone so that when you don't have to input any speech at all. Now what you have to do is, as soon as you press play, you are going to react to the video. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to say anything. All you have to do is just react to the video. So just watch what I'm going to do right now. All right. Just within some few minutes, you're done with the reaction. Then you click on next. Then what you have to do right now is go back to the video, copy the title of the video and place it here. All right. Which country is going to win the World Cup 2026? Then you will just add hashtag shots, hashtags dance, and that's it. This is the title of the video. So in case you don't know the title of the video, you should check it before you click on collaborate. All right, then that's it. You just go ahead and upload the shot. Now, in order for you to get maximum results with this strategy that I'm showing you right now, you have to make sure that you create as many shots as possible. You can see that on my channel here, I have some shots that has over 10k views, some has 29k, some has even 49k views, and it is the same strategy that I'm using. Now, apart from that channel, another channel that you also need to check out is you go to your search here, then you search for Baby Mookie, and you search for the channel. It is going to bring up the channel. The name of the channel itself is Twinkle Couples. All right, so let me search for Twinkle Couple. Then we click to view the channel. And as you can see, the channel has 13.1 million subscribers. And when we click on the shorts here, what you have to do is to click on the popular videos. You will see that the most popular videos has 665 million views, which means that the video keeps getting views every minute, every second. Now, you just have to find the most interesting video here, and then what we have to do now is to remix the video. Okay, always make sure that before you do the collaboration, you will check how many people have used this feature. So from the down here, you can see that at least 573,000 people has collaborated with this video. Let me go ahead and search for another video. I just need something that is very, very interesting that can generate more views. And I'll go with this one. All right. So what we have to do is just to repeat the same process just by clicking here. Before you do that, don't forget to click on the title. Click on the title and then take a screenshot of the title so that when you're about to upload a video, you'll be able to get the title right. Now we'll click on this, then we click on collaborate. Then we have to change the time from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. Then we drag the video to the end so that the video will be long. Then you click on next. All right, so whilst the video is processing, guys, if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And now all you have to do is to make sure your microphone is turned off. Then you click on record. That's it. I've just finished reacting to the video. The next thing is to click next. What we have to do is to copy exactly the same title, the same hashtags, and then paste it right here. Okay, so Smart Baby Mookie, hashtag shots, hashtag Squid Game, hashtag funny, and that's all you need to do right here. Then another thing you need to take care of is just the attribute. Make sure that you put it on no, just to clarify that this video is not made by AI. And you can just go to the tags here and input shots, and that's it. After that, you go ahead and upload the shot. Okay, so once you upload a shot, immediately you upload it, you will start seeing views, you will start seeing more subscribers on your channel. If you're trying to use the old method that we normally use to get 1,000 subscribers, which is by searching for Prosperity X on YouTube, yeah, this is the channel. This one actually works, but the problem is that they have already deactivated the collaboration feature. So even when you click on the shot and you click on the collaboration button, it doesn't bring up the option for you to collaborate with the channel anymore. So if this particular update is no more working for you, then make sure to try the 2 channels that I just mentioned right now. It is what I'm using, it is working, and I hope you try it and come back to like this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.